Hello! In today's video, I'll show you the unboxing of GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Let's see what's inside of the box, then we'll talk a little about the features of this device. At first, before we open it, we can see that it has 8K 60 recording, which is wonderful. Then it has 4K at 240 FPS, and it has up to 32 times slow-mo at 1080p using 960 FPS. Let's open the device up already. We can also see that it has a 1-inch sensor, which is going to give us very well lit up videos without much noise, unless it's at night, but it'll still be great at night compared to other action cams, definitely. Now this is all that we get on the inside of the box, so let's just open it. It says that the camera must be updated before use. It shows some proper usage instructions, lets you subscribe to some newsletters, gives you stickers, which are nice, pro tips for best cold weather performance, and some FAQ and stuff like that. Now let's see the USB-C cable that you get included. You get this lens attachment that you should attach like that in order to adjust how the light enters the lens. This is an attachment for a helmet or as a dash cam or as anything. Honestly, you can just stick it onto something, and then you can install under the battery. There's a battery. There's the battery, which is, by the way, does it say how big the battery is? Yeah, it's 2150 milliamp hours, so that's a pretty nice battery. Now, this attachment can be attached to the to this like thing with the sticker. And in order to attach it, you just release it here, so it can snap right on, and you can close it. And later I'll show you how to attach it here with this screw. But first, let's take the camera out of here. And of course, it says the camera must be updated before you can use it. Let's remove this sticker to see the screen. It is quite large, as you can see. So that is great. The lens is also quite large, of course, and the front screen not so. Let's remove it from this wrap here as well. Now there it is. It looks quite nice. Now if you'd like to attach it to this attachment, you can just open these flappy parts and put it in. I think that it's super easy and convenient. And then you can screw the screw on here, of course. Put it away for a moment. Now let's see. There's a mic drain, so that is important. It's not a door. Then there's the battery, USB-C, and SD card compartment. Since this device is waterproof up to 66 feet, 20 meters, it is pretty hard to open the battery compartment. Yeah, there we go. It was really difficult, to be honest. Now let's put the battery in. You should also put the SD card, of course, and stuff like that. Okay, let's put it in. Close it. Now let's turn it on. It's gonna beep. It did already. And there it is. You can see, I won't set it up now, but yeah, there's our camera. Now, some more details about it. By the way, the attachment if you're using the attachment that is there, make sure to attach it in a way that these notches, there are 2 notches, the one at the top and the one at the bottom, they are top and bottom and not left and right. And one more thing about this camera is that you can actually remove the lens cover, which is also pretty nice. So you prevent the camera's lens from being scratched, because it may scratch after some time. Then you can remove it like that. And then whenever you'd like, you can put a new one on or a different one. Maybe there are some filtered ones, I'm not sure. But there it is. And now these are also magnets, which is great because you can magnetically attach it to something. And what else? There's the 32 times zoom, as I said earlier. There's a 1-inch low light sensor. Then a 50 megapixel photo can be done, and it also shoots in RAW format. Then some capture modes can use AI to enhance your videos. Besides that, you also have subject tracking, so it can automatically crop the video and move the cropping to track the subject. It has a 4K zoom, a 10-bit color, and it also has log encoding, which is great for editing the video later. It has a pretty good battery life, 5 hours, which is like rare to see on action cams. It has a GPS, and as I said earlier, it's waterproof up to 66 feet. And it has HyperSmooth video stabilization, which utilizes the gyroscope and other data to automatically stabilize the video, and it does a really good job with that stabilization, to be honest. And that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Feel free to check out other videos on our channel. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.